Some people say that miracles are impossible, being a violation of the laws of nature. I'm quite fond of the reply that C.S. Lewis, the Oxford professor, gave to a friend who raised this objection. He said, suppose you left 10 pence in a drawer and then put another 10p in the drawer the next day. Do the laws of arithmetic make it certain that you'll find 20 pence in there the day after? Well, yes, said the friend, provided no one's tampered with the drawer. Ah, but that's the point, said C.S. Lewis. The laws of arithmetic, the laws of nature, make certain what you'll find, provided there's no interference. But what is to stop the God who made the laws of nature, who runs the universe, from one day tweaking things to get our attention? God likes order though. He doesn't normally change the laws of nature every day just for a bit of a change. He upholds the universe in a consistent, sustained, regular way. And that's what makes science possible. Supposing you're interested in dropping bananas from various heights. You drop a banana, you observe it falls towards the ground at an acceleration of 9.81 meters per second squared. Then you got the London Eye and you drop a banana off there just because you're a scientist and you do that kind of thing. And again, it accelerates at 9.81 meters per second squared. It's the same for different bananas dropped from different places on different days of the week. That is because God likes consistency. But there's nothing in principle to stop him one day adding a zero to the underlying gravitational constant and causing havoc in greengrocers all the world over. God does not usually do miracles, but occasionally in history he does something different because he wants us to take notice. When it comes to the gospel accounts of Jesus' life, sometimes people assume that the disciples of that day were just credulous. They didn't understand science, so they read about miracles because they didn't know that they were impossible. But actually that's just chronological snobbery on our part. They may not have known as much about science as we do, but they did know that you can't walk on water at room temperature. That when you're dead, you stay dead and you don't come back from the dead. They knew that just by living life. Which is why when Jesus does things like that, they don't say, oh, well, that's just the kind of thing that might happen in a universe with no laws. Rather, they are very, very surprised. They're astonished. They're afraid. They know that miracles are impossible unless the God who made the universe is stepping into history to get our attention.